In this video, I will show you how you can set Zoom to show more people when you're in a Zoom meeting. By default, when you're in a Zoom meeting and you're viewing your meeting in gallery view, where you can see everyone in thumbnails, by default, Zoom will only show 25 people, up to 25 people. Well, we can set this to show up to 49 people. Let's see how we do this. Let's go to my Mac. So I am in Zoom here, and to set Zoom to show more people when you're viewing your meeting in gallery view, what we need to do is go to our Zoom preferences. So I go up to Zoom in the menu bar, and then we go over to Preferences. We have a new window that opens up, and now what we need to do is go to Video. When we're looking at all of our video settings or preferences, at the very bottom we have maximum participants displayed per screen in gallery view. And by default, this is set to 25 participants. So when you're in a meeting and there are more than 25 participants in that meeting, you will only be able to see 25 at a time by default. Well, what we can do is we can set this to 49 participants. The thumbnails will be smaller, but you will be able to see more participants. I select this, and now I just close this window, and if I'm in a meeting with more than 25 participants, I'm going to be able to see up to 49 participants when I'm viewing that meeting in gallery view. So that's how you can set Zoom to show more people when you're in a Zoom meeting. Again, all you do is just go to Zoom Preferences, and then under Video at the very bottom, you're going to see a setting for 25 people or 49 people. Just set it to 49 people, and the next time you're in a meeting that has more than 25 participants, you're going to be able to see up to 49 participants when you're viewing that meeting in gallery view. So that's how you can set Zoom to show more people when you're in a meeting on the Mac.